got stuff to do, guys. What? Guys, and we have stuff. Oh, there's Reno. The LED, huh? It's gonna be behind us as soon as that light changes to red again. Like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. And I will turn. Silver Spring State Park. Wait, what? Deep sea.
Got a stinky smell or something.
I should go have this thing. So might be going to the Silver Spring State Park or somewhere for a video. I can't promise nothing, but I can't say nothing we're gonna do because someone wants to say, oh, okay, we're gonna do that, but then we'll do it. So it's not me or Wally. You can guess which when I'm with them. And there's a park up here.
All you see is the orange thing in front of it.
I can move my safety first. This is a park over here, Astor Park. If I can go here.
Not Astor Park, it's Railway Side.
Railway Side. Now it says Astor Park.
It does not say Astor Park.
Back here it says Astor Park.
That's a city. Did it say Astor Park like 30-something miles?
Yeah.
Okay, Astor Park is 30-something miles. That's Railway Side Park. It's 1 mile.
I remember when I was little or something like that. Okay, there's just some
See,
park.
there's a little park you can see down there.
There's just some park. And it had like a train at it, on, like far away on the other side of the park. See,
I'm not real sure what you're saying. You'll have to tell more of a story. We've taken you on train rides, so...
You? Like in Florida?
Not here. Yeah, in Gainesville we went on the little train ride, the one which is the Christmas train, and they drove us around through their property.
I should do that.
You know, there's a lot of people who do that stuff with you guys.
Yeah, the name is Mom. The one that says she'll do something, but doesn't do something.
Expensive to do is the point. Those are the kind of things.
Davey Hunt can guess who is coming. It's not Allie, but it's Martin. It's Peterbilt 379, brand new truck. This is his king.
Excuse me.
It looks like someone hit that sign. Oh, what? What? It's 180-100. That's his name, the truck name, to me. It's 180-100. They are selling buses. Someone, if they don't crash, they're selling. Yeah, it's a whole bunch of international, not a lot, but a lot of internationals over there. Not really a lot, but yeah, internationals over there for sale. Like buses. Like not those kind of international things. As my camera drifts over there. What? Hey, look, someone hunting. Ignore the fact that I zoomed in if I blow your camera. Hey, look, I get back. I can get you that black ink point like CBR. The guy that literally owns, I think it was, they almost wrecked that one day. Oh yeah, look at the back of this billboard. Zip lining. I seen a YouTuber film that zip lining once too.
You know, it gets the rear view mirror when you look out the window. You gotta turn it more.
Oh yeah, guys, this Warner. Talking about Warner, this Reno back there. There's Peterbilt. Nope. Hey, got no horn. That's you can't. Yeah, you might have three on. Molita. Let's say push ankles. Maybe we got say push Chestnut Hill. There's a Corvette. So this is an old Mac cowboy coming up. I don't know how I'm gonna film him. There's a ball over there. There's a ball over there, like little ball, like something that someone made over there. Like giant ball, big enough that people can fit in it, and probably big enough that if right now boat on tow truck that make us go on go definite. Over there somewhere, there's a Mac cowboy over there. If the sun doesn't blind the camera first. Oh, don't tell me I'm gonna do this. They're clearing that out. Right here. They brakes done over here last week. Their box. I got the Mac. I know there's an old Kimmel, old Ford. I think a couple of old Fords back there. International and a Mac Cowboy were back there. And it has that mini conventional cab, but also cowboy. I have a picture of it in one of my truck books. If the mistake we get to the house, I show you. And that's if we don't get ran down by trucks. Say, you need to leave. I don't think they should leave. It's a bit too big for a leaf. I don't think I know what I mean by that, but I mean by oversized niche on. There goes Rena. So I can see fully with the wood right there. It used to be an antique here. Now all remains is your engine or transmission, whatever it's called. And we got something, a surprise for everyone at the house. I think it's in the back of the truck still. Hang on, I'll clip it so see everyone knows. Oh yeah, you know, like how close can I get to being stuck by glass? And there's, you guys didn't know, one thing is that t-shirt. The lady, I don't think I caught the black saddle that we were in for, but that one, great. We're not talking about how crazy Florida is. That's how crazy Florida is. I don't care. I kind of like it. Like, is that more voice? Someone stole our Trump flags. And actually, when it was torn down. Yeah, someone stole the Trump flag. Adios. Wanna pause it? Make it quiet. There you film, ain't it? Yeah. So, someone stole our Trump flags. Both of them. Actually, someone on my video did, which they did, and they'll be screwed. Because I'm a little bit fun because half the floor is pretty much. Yeah. Everyone who knows me on the video at least do. There's like 1 million people down here. Yeah, no one says, only the Tico does. Only like one Tico does, and she watches this. She knows, but Mom does, and they watch. Oh, they're out, so watch for Maggie and Pepper. You turned it off, I thought.
No, I didn't.
You didn't? It paused. Oh, it didn't pause. Can I get out?
Sure. Alright, you gotta take the thing I'm doing for Nancy.
Yeah, of course you do. I'm about died. At least I did. She didn't. She didn't about that. My pants been sweating this whole time. Like since I woke up, I've been all sweating and stuff. I guess I've been nervous for a video. I've been thinking of it, but I like, oh no, we're falling. It goes up. So, not to spoil it, if he, dang it, I knew it! Not to spoil it, Well, he coming over here. I want. Don't die first. I'm actually gonna plank. Hey.
Come on.
Well, Clash. If I only have one hand.
Stay right here, put your feet on the pad.
Okay. If I don't die. Yeah, this probably getting it bad. Well, anyway.
Don't burn yourself. Yeah, you should be good. Put your feet on the peg. Got a hold right here.
If I drop the camera first. I used to hold you. What the heck? If I hit that stump, it's stump back there. Oh, well, maybe I won't give him my own good ideas.
Coming right up to the gate?
Yeah. We don't die.
Are you paying attention to how I'm driving?
Yeah.
See, this is the problem. My right hand, my left hand's the brake.
Yeah. I can feel it bunk out and drop the camera. Oh, what? Oh, I've been in a crash. Don't even know how to drive. Hey, look, you follow us. The dumb dog.
Come on, back.
Get sensible.
Good. Come on.
That's not real out.
We'll have to go back to the vehicle.
I guess. Can we drive up with the go-kart? Used to be able to see a bit. Keep quiet. Again. If I can. If I don't die first. I go on my elbow. Hehehe. I have bicycle.
Better knock that shit off.
You can get some nice window. Yeah. No.
You ready to go do it yourself?
No.
Yeah, you ain't got a helmet yet.
I don't even have a helmet.
Huh?
I don't even have a helmet.
No, you don't got a helmet.
No, I do. Mom might. Mary, don't even lick me. Great, she's gonna lick me to the point she's gonna bite my hand off. Well, that's just a surprise. I mean, that was just a surprise.
Ooh.
What?
That almost got you. Here, before the mosquitoes get me, get it. What do you think it's going to do? Jump up and help you?
I'm doing it. You do it. You almost dropped it on my foot. Bike and tube. Maybe I can make him. Well, I got a gas power thing. If I didn't know, some diesel portion, like, I mean diesel portion, like put Cummins into a Volkswagen Beetle. What the heck? Of course, most people have the bikes like we do. He had a tractor out. That's bad news. Probably use it. Put thinking. Get my bike. Get it flipped up, upside down. Maybe I'm really shaking. Like, I'm shaking. I have my anxiety act up. I have my anxiety. And once I'm doing it, I'm now I need to learn how to drive, and maybe I can set my camera up somewhere for y'all, and I can drive it while I'm not about to go dumping stuff with it almost instantly. I do that on my bike. Heck no, not on the bike, but not even on anything. But that stump is bad. Like, y'all see me hit the stump once with my dang arm. With my wagon. I mean, y'all know what it looks like when not the wagon, but with the bike on my tablet. Time to fix the bike. Time to fix the bike. Heck yeah, heck yeah. Great. I dropped the box. Definitely did not fall it. I think I'm shaking up my doing. And I got another video to do later. And that's why I was so scared. I didn't want to die before my 13th birthday. Like, I started doing riskier things. Like, by the time it's been my 13th birthday, I'm going to start doing dumber things. Like, when I say dumber things, I am not joking. But not just dumping stumps, but getting a straight up four-wheeler and stuff. If I can find even ones that happen to you. Yeah, you didn't bike! You horrible bike! I'm joking, biking nothing. I dropped it on my foot. No, I didn't drop it on. Oh crap! See what I gotta deal with! Hey, Dad! Hey! 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 Granny, shut up! Thank you! She shuts up and she listens. No one expected her to do that. I put it on my bike. Ow! Be nice if I didn't drop it. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. Like, I already told to break this enough. Give me this piece of rubber. I ain't like nothing like that can break. But time to go with asking, begging, ignoring the crap out of him to. Oh yeah, one time I see a crossing cans, I won't believe what I had over my head. Right there. A rat snake! Yeah! Yay! So amazing! A rat snake over my head. Even better. And one time I hold that thing for 1 hour, I look up, I'm like, oh snap, he better spoil it off. But I should have just ran hid by the tile under it. and just run around. Like, hey, I don't have anxiety. That's good. Like, I am gonna practice starting with Gracie's mom. Like, have her randomly picking me up at times. But I have no contact with her. Obviously, she's a dog and didn't want to, like, stop. I don't want to pick him up, so I'm not going to tell him anymore and talk to him anymore. Great. This is going into a 20-minute video real quick. Probably the last 15 minutes of bragging of how Infinity and Sevi and Paula are bad at driving. We've seen some racing around. So I might just give you force. Maggie! I don't want to feel Maggie. She can bark. Like others.
These boys got theirs out now.
Oh yeah. They heard you running around. They're like, oh yeah. He got the kids over there on theirs. That girl over there on hers.
There's a boy on Lakota when we came in that went down to the ball field, turned around, come back on a small four-wheeler. Yeah, 'cause he was coming out and I'm watching him, I'm like, I gotta turn. I didn't put him on blinker and think about it. He's coming up beside me and he held back. I'm like, get out my way.
It looks bent when Michael crashed already.
And he came in with the frame that they packaged it in bent.
Like that?
Kinda. I ain't drive it.
Yeah.
Alright, so 2 new things.
$900. Regular 12 something at the Amazon Prime Day. Yeah, it's 12.
Oh, shut up! Now I've been filming you. And now I've been filming you.
13,000.
So you're gonna get in the video of the camera on purpose.
Calm yourself down. I was getting pissed though, some of the Amazon stuff I was looking at, and I was just looking around and checking. I think I was looking up a air fryer or something like that. All of it has to come to the
Brittany,
feed store.
we're acting up.
Yeah, but
You want meat? Feed store. Rabbits? Feed store.
Pepper, be quiet.
Think you'll be able to ride that thing by yourself?
Kinda.
You think so?
Yeah, if I can figure out something to mount,
If you want to take a look at
then
it.
it ain't gonna work.
You know you're gonna fall over,
It is junk.
Wait, what?
wreck it,
I don't care.
If I fall over, then I'm not getting on.
but you just get up and go
If
again.
they get
Like
out there
riding
and
a
look,
horse.
and they're like, well, what's the
No,
deal?
I'm
We're
not.
talking to somebody inside.
When you fall off a horse, you get on a horse again.
Well, hell, this ain't
Fall
what I
off the
thought it was
motorcycle.
Maybe I'm gonna be like this. I'm gonna see exact. How we test this, I'm gonna need him driving.
yeah, if you start
I
riding
film.
that thing enough, we can get you a GoPro to put on there.
Mm-hmm.
He ain't go put on my helmet.
You
If
put
I
it
have
on the
one.
helmet or put it on the bike.
I don't wear a
To
helmet.
wear right here, but he can't understand the concept of turning the phone. You have so much you have to do. Your job is never
Yeah,
done.
theirs is a little different when they went by. It's got a straight fender out the back.
You can go up there and do all you want.
I'm sure they sell a bunch of different ones.
Yeah, it's probably the same thing, different style.
Get away from my stuff. Oh, that's not our golf cart.
I know.
Golf cart.
Catch a golf cart. Want me to drive it? Catch the stop.
I was looking for my golf
Oh, want me to drive it over here?
They're off in there.
Okay.
The dogs are here, so look out for them.
Okay. Guys, hey, get back. You're not coming.
Come up this way and just park over there.
Next to it. Okay, Doll's coming to get the golf cart. Come to get the golf cart. Oh, she got super sick. Gosh. I don't care that guy's sick. Come on, Doll. Coming or not? Oh gosh, like they both got a thing the bike we got pretty much, but they got a stack coming out of his but like coming says. Yeah, coming he washes tennis ball. I mean, coming he washes Ford with on both horns. How loud? What one can you hear the farthest? One. Fire. One. You hear for miles away like a Pete. If I can make in it, obviously. And bullhorns with the Ford. I seen the Ford F-750 today. He had bullhorns. It wasn't that loud of a horn that I didn't give him a horn. I don't get it. Yeah, I know. I've been driving around with a piece of crap stuff. A golf cart or something. Oh, what? I'm in my own tripod. I didn't even put the key in. Oh, Mom, Greg. Dollar, where are you? Get the heck over here. I hate to drop my phone off over there. Where's that? Hey, this is a good tripod over here. I'm just watching the camera right now. Like, you shouldn't do that much. And I can pretty good at driving it. You drive like a kid and drive like there's drive like there's classes of kids around. I only use 1 foot for the weight, the same foot for 2 weights. Oh crap! There's a tree in the road. Oh crap! It's a bump. You need to get that out of the way. Ignore what just happened. Back to the video. Okay, I didn't want one over the other bike, but I was one over that one. I now need to turn up here. It's new.
That's it. That's where I wanted it, on the flat part. Don't get down here where dogs might get rolled. Put the, yeah, turn it off. Yeah, I thought you'd just come around through that piece right there.
Didn't really want to go through this piece. So I decided I went around that way. Hey, I want to know what that noise is. See, I did go through that small area over there where all the mosquitoes are at. Then store them up for you.
Okay, go see the pigs. Say hi.
Go up there and let's see. I'm crazy.
No, you were videoing. Just carry it up there and walk and video.
But man, I stuck it right here though. But I didn't know how good of a video that made.
You got
What?
a mosquito on your neck. You want some bug spray?
No. Hey! You got it on my camera. Seriously? They filmed Maggie ignoring her. Maggie! Hey, Maggie, look! Maggie, look! She walked away. So that's why I have to drive.
Tens of views.
Run away. What? Right here. Stick the camera in here. But not that. Not that. That. Next time I might just do it like this.
I don't even know what his name is.
I bet when he walks through, if you ever does go out in the public.
You know what they need to do is make him a superhero or a bad superhero.
Well, hi guys, this is Stay Talking. That's all for you guys. Bye.